Executive Chef Zola. We are the Jammin Chefs, and we are extremely proud to be here at the Food and Wine Festival as we present to you a cooking demonstration highlighting the 3 unique elements traditionally found in my cuisine. Welcome to Executive Chef Zola's Rolling Kitchen. Really? Y'all gonna do that all day, huh? Anyway, listen, my 3 sous chefs are each experts at their own specialty. Ready? Heard? All right, now let me introduce to you my 3 amazing sous chefs. Now, first, we have the chef who has a wild passion about all things spicy, Chef Jalapeno. Woo, excellent taste. Now next we have the chef who specializes in a smooth rolling texture, Chef Alfredo. That's good. Yeah. Comfort food at its finest. Now last, but definitely not least, we have the chef who brings the texture and the satisfying crunch, Chef Poppy Corn. We don't just celebrate food, we elevate food. Now, to help us in the kitchen with our preparations, we have our assistants, Daisy and Clarabelle. And also our eager apprentices, Chip and Dip. No? You don't like that? Okay, cool. Chip and Delicious. All right, and I am going to lead this cast iron crew in demonstrating our twist on a classic. Ratatouille. Now, pay attention because as executive chef, my advice is always sound that. Come on. All right, that's why I've assembled this talented team to demonstrate for you how to create the perfect blend of spice, sauce, and texture with techniques that calls for precision, stamina, and speed. Y'all give it up for my crew. All right, now, baby, hit the step. That's right. All right, Poppy. Oh, yeah. Hit it. Is this anyway? Back to your station. Yes, let them know. My crew, seasoned professionals who relish a good joke. It was good enough in rehearsal. I had to do it. Now, for ratatouille, the signature dish of France. Now, for any good recipe, we have to work together as a team. Now, usually, I run a strict kitchen, but today, I will leaven my attitude to invite all of you in the dining section to help us to prepare the mise en place. Now, the first rule of the kitchen is you have to watch closely. Pay attention to my kitchen assistants. It's time to slice and dice. All right, take your eyes to Chef Jalapeno. He's right? Oh, the privilege to be called my honorary line cook. You like the sound of that? All right, pay attention. My chefs are now going to cook up a storm for you. All right, I need you to know that I've been working with these fellas for quite some time now, and they finally have mastered all of my techniques. I mean, look at that. Perfection, okay? I taught them all that they know. Look at that hell. He will be nothing but happy. It's pretty good, but it's not, not what he should be. But practice makes perfect. I mean, I taught them so much and they really respect me. You know what I'm saying? They don't play around. No joking off, no goofing off. I mean, they do exactly like I taught them. They don't deviate from the recipe and no chipmunky business at all. Give it up. That's right. They've worked so hard to reach my level of professionalism, and I'm really proud, because practice not only makes perfect, but it makes precise, okay? Now, I mean, the recipe, you can't deviate from it at all, so that's why they do it so perfectly. Wait, that is not what I taught you! This is a recipe for disaster. I'm not the big cheese, am I? I just stink. It's too smooth. Way too spicy. You know what? That crunch is overwhelming. Nobody is ever gonna taste this stuff. Not even with me. I need to taste it. Oh, goodness.
Well?
It's beautiful. It's masterful. It's magic! Oh, you all created something that is better than the original. The moment we've all been waiting for. When we take the food, the spice, and the crunch, and make something more. Now, I know they don't seem like they executive chef, that sometimes it's not what we put in the recipe, but when we put all that we love into the recipe. Now, we may not have the same rhythm, but with passion and a little bit of syncopation, we can create something amazing. Now, you know what? Go, enjoy, taste everything, because food, like life, is a celebration. All right, Joe, let's bring it out. I'm real proud of y'all. Come on, Clarabelle. One more time, yeah. Let's clean it up. The kitchen is not gonna clean itself. Don't hurt him, Daisy. I need to find something else for you to do. Nice work. Let's go.
Thank you for cooking with the Jammin Chefs. We hope you enjoy a delicious day at Disney California Adventure Food and Wine Festival.